Hello guys. So here in front of me I do have Allotment book 2019 edition, which is very well most updated. And look, I may sound cheesy, but for any one of you who is in a gardening, this is the most excellent book that you may and can get your hands on. Now I met people who've been having the Allotment garden for well over 3 years. We have lots of reference books, and we said this is by far the best book that you need to know, that you need to have. It is month by month straightforward advice, what you need to do January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and we keep on going, and month by month straight advice, what you need to do, what type of plants that you need to grow, what type of vegetables that you need to grow month by month, organic vegetables, and as well as covers what pests should you take care of, what to look for in every month, how to properly take care of a plant, and it is such an easy layout as well. And this book comes with plenty of images, plenty to see. Right here, I'll come closer. Contents. Know how June, August, September, October, January, February, March, April, May. You have everything laid out month by month. So let's say I'm going to January, page 32. So let's go together to the page 32. Let's see what we will find. And how easy is it going to be? How easy is it going to read? I just need to find the page 32. So we have 29, 32. And that is calendar begins. So we do have January. And what to harvest. Okay, so January, you can imagine it's winter time. You are not going to do much, but it says what to do, what to harvest, how to spread compost and manure, so to prepare the vegetable beds, what to buy. It says you can even start doing winter prunes, establish apple and pear trees during January. Now I wouldn't know about it. Vegetables and salads. This is all for January. Go for it. Sow or plant in January. Broad beans, fruit trees and bushes, garlic, onion and leeks. Multus on onions, peas, radishes, rhubarb, winter salad leaves. It is just so good. If you don't even know what to do with a current fruit tree that you're having, it will show you step by step, image by image, what to do. So again, this may be sounding cheesy, but it is by far the most informative book about those little steps that you may want to know, and ask your neighbor what they have done better, because their tree looks better. So this book has every little advice for everyone in need in allotment gardening. And again, I met people who've been doing this for over 3 years, and this book came out last year only. And we said this is by far the best book, and how easy it is to get one of this for yourself. So if you were to go to Waterstones, you would pay $17.99. I believe you can get on Amazon one for £12, a new copy. $12.69. You can get a used one for £11. And this book, it is year by year basis. So today, on a day of recording, this is one of the top trending books on Amazon. And I assume it will be for years to come. It is a great, informative book. And it's not only gardening. It is how to prepare allotment gardening. What tools will you need? If you go to B&Q, what to buy, what to look for. It's a great book. I recommend go for it. Tell you what, I'm not gonna be sorry. See you.